I don't think people realize just how much history is packed into our everyday phrases. Take a dime a dozen, for example. Originating from the early 20th century in America, a dime a dozen refers to something so common that it's almost worthless, suggesting it's as cheap as 10 cents for 12 items. Now, imagine back when dimes were a considerable amount of money and getting a dozen of anything for just 10 cents? That was a bargain. However, as the market evolved and certain goods became overproduced, their value plummeted. The phrase began popping up in newspapers around the 1930s, often describing overabundant items that lost their appeal. One fact during this era was that eggs and items like oranges were literally sold for about a dime a dozen in some cities in the United States. It showed how common and accessible these items had become. So next time you say a dime a dozen, you're not just speaking idly, you're echoing the economic shifts and cultural developments of an entire historical period. Something is now so common that it is almost given away owing to how cheap it is. Makes you think twice about the phrases we take for granted, doesn't it? Thank you for watching, stay safe, and we will see you in the next one.